Hi, I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm showing how I installed these trough shelves in my workshop. I'm updating my workshop and building these trough shelves as a storage option for paint and stain cans. But really, this design could be used anywhere in your home that you need strong, sturdy shelves. To get started, I ripped leftover 3/4 inch plywood into strips to create 4-foot long shelves. You can find a full cut list of this project over on thisoldhouse.com. I've included sizing for 2 different size shelves, one that is meant to hold quart-size stain and paint cans, and the other that is a little bit shallower and taller to hold spray paint cans. To prep the boards, first drill pocket holes along the back edge of the base of each shelf. Apply glue and place the base onto the backer board, flush with its bottom edge. Drive pocket hole screws through the base and into the backer. Apply glue and then position the front board against the base. You can see I already drilled countersunk pilot holes in the front board. So now I just need to drive screws through the front board and into the edge of the base. To sturdy up the shelves and tie the front into the backer, I'll be installing ends and a divider since my shelves are quite long. To do this, set the end in place and mark the height of the front and back boards. Mark the angled line and cut it with a miter saw or a circular saw. Repeat this cut to make the opposite end and the divider. Apply glue to the edges of the piece and then slide it into place. Drive screws through the front, back, and base and into the end to secure it. Repeat to attach the remaining end and the divider. Once you fill the screw holes with wood filler and sand everything smooth, you can apply a coat of paint or stain. And if you're setting heavy items like I am on your shelves, make sure that you screw through the backer and into wall studs during installation. Once installed, fill the shelves and enjoy your new organization. I hope you enjoyed this project. For more easy woodworking projects and tool tutorials, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jenn Largesse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.